Now the next session, the next part, Socialism in Europe and the Russian Revolution. We are discussing about the Russian Revolution. This is the third part. After Lenin, Stalin took the command in his hands. Means Stalin became the leader of whom? Soviet Union, the Bolshevik party named earlier. And he did what? He started a new era. As like Hitler, Nazism, as like Mussolini, fascism, he started Stalinism. Refers to the political system and policies followed by Joseph Stalin. The full name of Stalin is Joseph Stalin. When he ruled the Soviet Union, एक किस्म का शासन ही हो गया, डिक्टेटरशिप ही आ गई, क्योंकि वहां तो वन पार्टी रूल हो गया, कम्युनिस्ट फॉर्म ऑफ गवर्नमेंट में तो ऐसा होता ही है, वहां यही आ गया. और कब से कब तक चला? लेट 1920 to 1953. It was marked by strong centralized control. Strong centralized control means one man, one power, one nation, and one leader. And he did what he had in his hands. And party dictatorship. This is known as what? Dictatorship. The name is communist form of government, but vice versa, the name is known as what? Dictatorship. One party rule means dictatorship. As nowadays, it is going in China, in Russia also, that there would be no other alternative for Jinping and for Putin. ये वही ड्रामा था, rapid industrialization through 5-year plan, from where India started or had taken or imitated the 5-year plan policy. हिंदुस्तान ने 5 पंचवर्षीय योजना कहां से कॉपी की? This is the era, this is the word, this is the sentence from where India copied 5-year plan policy. 5-year plan policy सबसे पहले रूस ने शुरू की थी, and collectivization, हर चीज का केंद्रीयकरण कर देना, इकट्ठा कर देना, कलेक्टिव कर देना उसे. Of agriculture, Stalinism also involves strict censorship. One thing is, you can say very true, in dictatorship is what? Censorship. Censorship means no media, no press, and not any other form kind of, you can say, paper, pamphlet is allowed to oppose the government or its policy. You are not allowed to say anything against the government. If you are doing so, you were having or are having a case of treason. Treason means what? Deshdroh. This is known as what? Deshdroh. If you are going to oppose the policies of the government, if you are going to against the government, then the government is going to put you in jail, and the case is known as what? A case of treason. Deshdroh. Strict censorship, limited freedoms, and what he had done, curtailed democracy, curtailed the rights, and freedom is what? Limited. जबकि सोशलिज्म में तो फ्रीडम क्या होनी चाहिए? बहुत सारी, क्योंकि जमीन बराबर, खाना बराबर, पैसा बराबर, तो सारी चीज बराबर है, तो आजादी भी बराबर होनी चाहिए. लेकिन यहाँ कोई आजादी का नाम नहीं था, यहाँ तो वन पार्टी रूल लेकर आना था और लोगों को गुलाम बनाना था, तो उसने कर दिया. एंड हार्श एक्शन. सीधी बात है, किसी को गुलाम बनाने के लिए प्यार से तो कोई आपकी गुलामी करेगा नहीं. गुलामी करेगा कैसे? हरेसमेंट. तो एक्शन आपको कैसे लेने पड़ेंगे? हार्श, कठोर. कहीं ना कहीं किसी को फांसी चढ़ानी पड़ेगी, किसी को निपटाना पड़ेगा, मैसकरे करने पड़ेंगे, बड़े बड़े कांड करने पड़ेंगे. और छोटी मोटी पार्टियों को तो वैसे ही आप क्या कर देंगे? ट्रैम्पल डाउन, रौंद कर रख देंगे. वही काम यहां पर हुआ. हार्श एक्शंस अगेंस्ट पीपल सीन एज ओपोनेंट. जो उसको लगा कि मेरे खिलाफ खड़ा हुआ, जो उठा वो गया, और जो उसके साथ था उसके खिलाफ बोला वो भी गया. तो इट मीन्स this is also the same phase of dictatorship as done by Hitler, as done by Mussolini, as done by any other dictator in the history. The same process is going in Russia also at that moment. In case of words, you can say that a Soviet Union, but is it Soviet Union? It is a union. It is a collectivization. No. It is collective effort. No. It is a one-party rule. It is one-party command. It is one-party action. And if you are going to against, then you have to face the consequences. And consequences could be very harsh. आपकी वो हालत कर देंगे। आपने एक बार सरकार के खिलाफ कुछ बोला, पहले नौकरी की, फिर आपके खाने के दाने गए, फिर इधर उधर अगर आपके बच्चे पढ़ते पढ़ाते भी हैं तो वो भी गए। सरकार जब भी आपको बेड़ा गर्क करेगी तो ऐसे करेगी कि वो आपको बच्चों को भी नहीं जीने देगी, आगे तक का फ्यूचर खा जाएगी। उसी को कहते हैं हार्श ट्रीटी। यही यहां पर किया गया था। ये वो सरकार थी जिसको हम क्या कहते हैं, जो स्टालिनिज्म के नाम से जानी जाती है। Now this is okay, I think. Now the final chapter would come later on.